Hi guys, welcome to KDP School. Let me show you how you can get more followers on your Facebook page. Let me show you how you can get more followers from the scratch that you opened your Facebook page. Now quickly let's jump right into this video. I'm going to be showing you two methods on how to do this. Now the number one method, as quick as possible, is that on your profile, you're going to tap on your profile icon and you scroll down to your reels. You must always upload on your reels. On your reels, can see reels here. You should always upload videos on your reels. Reels videos tend to go faster than your Facebook wall videos. Reels are short videos that are within the range of 59 seconds, so they tend to go faster than your longer videos. Make sure you upload on your reels and always go live. You see these two things here, they are the secret behind the growth of your Facebook page. You can see reels, you can see live. Reels and live, they are the secret behind the growth of any Facebook page. Make sure you always upload on your reels and you always go live. At most twice in a week, or you can do it more than that. Depends on you. So make sure you always go live and make sure you always upload on your reels. Now another way, the second method is this. Now all you need to do, at the search bar, you're going to see search bar at the top here. At the top, you're going to see something looking like a button at the search bar, they call it. You tap on it. Now your page will appear. If you have searched your page in this place, if your page is not appearing here, like you can see KDP School, my page is up here. If your page is not appearing here, make sure you search it at the search bar. At this search bar here, you type the name of your page. But if it's appearing here, it's very, very simple for you to work with. All you need to do, you tap on it and it opens up. Mainly it opens up. Now you click on these three dots that is here. You click on the three dot that is here. So this is how you always get new people visiting your page, new followers, new Facebook page likes, new likes on your page, new followers. So it's very simple. All you need to tap on invite friends, and once you tap on invite friends, now you can see that these people have not really followed my page. So all you need to do, click on select all. Click on select all, and all will be selected. Everybody here will be selected. So but if there's anyone you don't want the person to get your invite, all you need to do, remove the person. You don't want the person to get your invite. All you need to do, just remove the person. Tap on the person. The person will tick off. Just tap on the person's name and the tick will remove. So but if you want all, just tap on all. Some of us will have larger number here. You can see I have about 18 persons that have not really invited to my page. So now you can see some of us will have a larger number. All you need to do, click on send invite, and those people, invitation will be sent to them that they should follow your page, like your page. And in 1, 2, 3 minutes or hours, come back and check your page and you see that you must have gotten a follower on your page. So this is one of the quickest means on how to have a follower on your page. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you follow my page, like and share this video. See you in the next video. Peace. Thanks, greatness. You are the very best.